Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through something a ton of you have been asking about, how to start dropshipping using Wix in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a dropshipping store on Wix, choose the right products, and start automatically fulfilling orders with ease. No warehouses or inventory stress needed. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix dashboard, and you've opened the web design for your site. If you don't see a store on your site yet, don't worry, this is super easy to add. Just head over to the Wix App Market. Think of it like a toolbox for enhancing your website. In the search bar, type Wix Store, and when it pops up, add it to your site with just a click. If you already have the Wix Store set up, you can skip ahead to the next part. Now, once you're inside the Wix Store section on your dashboard, take a look under the catalog header. You'll spot an option for dropshipping products. That's your golden ticket for this process. This is the place that Wix has set up specifically for people who want to run a store without physically handling stock or orders. Click into Dropshipping Products, and you'll be able to browse and select items that you want to sell right from your store's backend. Picture it like a digital shelf. Pick and choose the products you think your customers will be excited about. After you've chosen the products you want, you'll see a How It Works link or button right below. Give that a click. It's going to break down the rest of the workflow for you so you know exactly what's going on with each sale. The process is actually just 3 main steps, and Wix makes it really straightforward. Step 1. Add ready-to-sell products to your store. This means you can go in, preview all the product details, and actually tweak or edit those details right within Wix itself. So, if you want to change the product description, adjust images, or customize the way it's displayed for your brand, it's all under your control. This part can feel a little like arranging your products on a physical shelf in a shop. Take your time to make sure it looks right and feels authentic to your business. Step 2. Now, about pricing. Wix uses Modalist, their dropshipping partner, to help with this. What happens is each product's price is set to automatically include a 60% markup over the supplier's base cost, including the shipping rate. This is so you don't have to manually calculate profit margins from scratch, but you're never locked in. If you feel like you want to experiment with pricing, or if you want to offer deals, you can adjust these pricing rules anytime directly in Modalist. So don't feel boxed in. The numbers are flexible and it's easy to update as your business grows or as you learn what your customers respond to. And finally, step 3. Don't stress about inventory or packing orders. Once your customer places an order and you pay the supplier, everything else is taken care of. The supplier handles packaging and ships the order out directly to your customer. It's a hands-off system, perfect for anyone who wants to focus on marketing and customer experience without getting bogged down with boxes and postage. Just remember, this part can feel a little magical. It's a bit like sending a digital package across the internet and watching it arrive on your customer's doorstep. And that's it. You're ready to start dropshipping with Wix in 2025. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button. It really helps out. If you have any questions or run into any bumps while setting up your dropshipping store, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And make sure to subscribe because I've got a ton more Wix and e-commerce tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your new store.